Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best rechargeable dog collar on the market, the PcEoTllar Light-Up Dog Collar. If you're a dog owner who loves evening walks or wants to keep your furry friend safe and visible at night, this collar could be a game-changer for you. The PcEoTllar collar is designed to light up with 7 vibrant RGB colors. You can pick your dog's favorite color or switch it up based on your mood or the occasion. This means your dog doesn't just stay safe, but looks stylish while doing it. The light it emits is bright and eye-catching, making it easier for drivers, cyclists, and pedestrians to spot your dog in low-light conditions or at night. This feature significantly reduces the risk of accidents and helps prevent your dog from getting lost. One of the standout features of this collar is its rechargeable battery. Unlike traditional collars that require constant battery replacements, the PcEoTllar collar charges easily via USB and delivers up to 10 hours of continuous glow on a full charge. This convenience means you don't have to worry about running out of power mid-walk or buying new batteries, saving you money and hassle over time. Durability and comfort are key with any pet accessory, and this collar doesn't disappoint. It's made with strong polyester webbing and reinforced stitching, ensuring it can withstand your dog's daily adventures, whether they are small, medium, or large breeds. The collar is also waterproof, so your dog can splash through puddles, swim, or play in the rain without you having to take it off or worry about damage. Just make sure to avoid salt water to keep it in top condition. The collar features a quick-release buckle that makes it simple to put on and take off, which is perfect for busy pet parents. Plus, it's adjustable in length, ranging from about 11 inches to 23.6 inches depending on the size you choose, so you can get a perfect fit as your dog grows or for different breeds. This adjustability also means you won't have to buy multiple collars as your dog changes size. PcEoTllar has thoughtfully designed this collar not only for safety but also with the well-being of your pet in mind. The glow effect is soft enough not to cause any discomfort or harm to your dog's eyes, ensuring your pet stays comfortable while being highly visible. Overall, this light-up collar offers a blend of safety, style, convenience, and durability. It's a great investment for anyone looking to enhance their dog's nighttime visibility and keep them safe during those evening or early morning walks. With multiple color options and sizes, the PcEoTllar Light-Up Dog Collar stands out as a reliable, practical, and fashionable accessory for your dog's safety. If you want a rechargeable, waterproof, and adjustable collar that makes your dog shine bright in the dark, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews of the latest products. See you next time.